Hey guys, as promised, we're gonna go and do that View Gen 3 by Emporia install. I'm gonna walk you through how I put it in, so stay tuned. All right, guys, let's get into this install. Let's start with our main clamps on the main breakers coming in. Make sure there's an arrow on those clamps that point towards the breaker, telling you the flow of the current. So you need to make sure you have that directional with the breakers that it goes into. All you're gonna do is slide these over the power wires of each one of your breakers. On the 240 ones, go ahead and put it on one leg or the other, and you'll change the setting in the app on those. So I'm gonna go ahead and clamp these all on, dangle the strings down till I get the smart hub installed. The smart hub will have to have two breakers. It suggests a 15 amp breaker. It has power from each side of that breaker box. So you'll have to make sure you have the breakers in your box and the spaces for that, or you can share it with an existing breaker already in there. So here I'm installing that smart hub into that, and I'm hooking up those two main power wires to the new breakers that I installed. So then on that portion, you're going to get that snapped in, get it hooked up, and everything connected, and mainly the install is done. You just have to go through and connect each one of these leads into the circuit you choose for it to monitor. So I'm hooking these in here now, and that is the finished supplied on that portion. All right, this is kind of the finished product where I've kind of got the wires all tucked back in where they belong. You can kind of see everything's kind of routed and ran. That's where you snap each one of those circuits into it and kind of clean it up a little bit. It looks a lot better than the dangling wires there. And this is where I went in and put the cover back on. I left my antenna at the bottom so it reads instead of poking a hole through the wall. So anyways, that's my install, guys. If you like this, give it a share, give it a follow, give it a like, and another video I'll follow up with some of the data I've gotten out of it and what I've learned from it. So appreciate you guys watching this.